In manufacturing, how a company decides to produce goods impacts everything from cash flow to warehouse costs. Let's compare these two strategies. These terms describe when the production process actually begins relative to a customer order. Make-to-order focuses on customization and efficiency, while make-to-stock prioritizes speed and volume by keeping products ready on shelves. Make-to-stock requires significant capital tied up in inventory, which increases storage, insurance, and risk of obsolescence. A business might choose make-to-order if they are building custom furniture or high-end machinery where the product is built to spec. Conversely, make-to-stock is the standard for consumer goods like shampoo or electronics, where customers expect to buy off the shelf. The primary benefit of make-to-stock is the massive efficiency gain that comes from repeating the same process over and over. Ultimately, the best strategy depends on your product type and how much risk you are willing to take on inventory. If this breakdown helped you understand manufacturing logistics, hit subscribe for more business basics. See you next time.